about a 30-40% hot, okay?
Okay.
So, but you don't want to burn, okay?
Right.
So, because you want the pan, the temperature is to match the food, everything. If this is so cold, food is hot, they will stick it together. Okay, so.
啊，
要把它烧热还是很烫？
稍微烧到40到50%的热度，好，因为锅是冷的，你冷锅一下去炒，跟东西全部都要粘在一起了 ，OK？ Alright, now with same thing we use avocado oil.
or sesame oil.
Oh no, sesame oil is
No.
after the rice, okay? There's a flavor, just like you make a martini.
No, he's a chef. He create the ingredient for us.
Yeah,
I'm listening.
Okay.
yeah,
Yes.
okay. Okay, same thing. Put oil, okay? Oh, you can see this more. Okay. Now, first of all, we need to put the onion inside. Okay. Because they're too hot, so I moved to the side. Wait a little bit, okay?
Yes, you have a beautiful relationship to the ingredients.
Okay, same thing. I put onion. Okay.
Yes.
Oh, I can see. Get a flavor coming. Now I put a cabbage. Oh, so fresh. Beautiful. Okay, the flavor already coming. Okay, so now we can put an egg right now. Okay. Oh, you can see the egg, little chunk, beautiful. Okay, next one. We'll put the rice. So rice still a little hot, so a little bit sticky, but it should be fine.
Next time we'll make it for it.
Ready? Well, you just stir fry this rice, okay? Just take it easy, you know. You can see the rice still a little chunk, so we try to separate the rice, everything. Okay. Now we put a little bit of red pepper. Oh, smell good. Fresh. So rice because very sticky, so it still have like, see, you can see the chunk like this. Yeah, we try to, you know, push a little bit, you know. Okay, now we put the salt. I use sea salt today, okay, so.
How much salt?
Well,
Half teaspoon.
yeah, about a teaspoon. You don't want to put it one time, okay, you try a little bit. You can try it later. If it's not enough, you put it more. You don't want to make it too salty, okay? If you want the color more colorful, you can put a soy sauce, okay? But today we use salt. It's white color. Make the fried rice is white color. After you can put a little soy sauce on the top, wherever you want, okay? Just keep it stir fry. Don't let the rice burn. You can see the flavor almost coming. It come out. I think I need a little more sea salt.
盐度不够，再添一点。
Yeah, you have to taste it.
但是还是非常的清淡，我没有炒得很咸，好。Because we don't want too salty, very healthy. Some people they don't want too much oil, too much salt. Okay.
True. Yes, that's very true.
Yeah. Healthy first, because life is good. Okay, I think the rice almost done. Okay, last minute. I put a cilantro. Okay. If you have the onion, you can put onion. And also same time, I put a little bit seasoning oil, just to make a flavor. Okay, you don't want too much. Okay, just a little bit, maybe just half teaspoon. Just around the rice. Okay.
最后放的鲜油。
The last one is sesame oil.
Sesame oil. Yeah. Oh, I think everybody ready for rice now.
Some 香喷喷的炒饭就 OK 了。
我们这个在够吃的话，到时候现在等他来再自己炒。那够吃就这样，我们吃就行了。那再为他来再搞，他搞一下就行了。
Okay, the rice done. Ready?
Ready?
Okay.
Okay, good.
我们关机吧。这样子哈，大家洗干净后，他大概几点钟来，我再帮他保。